Welcome to online yoga session part 1. First of all, this yoga session is not to just listen or watch me. You have to follow along with me. You have to do everyday practice. This is a one video, but you have to do everyday this yoga session practice. Doing yoga basic time is early morning or evening. We have selected the early morning time. Now second thing is where do you do yoga? Best place is open garden, open ground. But nowadays we cannot go outside of the home. So if you have an open terrace, very good option for yoga. Doing place for the very good option for yoga. Not open terrace, then small balcony. That is also a good option. Not balcony, you also available. No problem. If you have a room like this, you have to just open window. You have to just open a window that a small fresh breeze should come inside. Now I have closed the all window because if I open the all window, if I go to open place to show yoga, so outside sounds will come and you maybe will not listen what I am saying. So without wasting time, we will now begin with the before you do yoga, just have a small glass of warm water, not too much water, but just a small glass of warm water, and then you can start. Then you can start a small warm-up exercise. Without doing warm-up exercises, don't start directly yoga. Warm-up exercise is required to energize our muscle, to free our muscle. So here are a small warm-up exercises set. Before we play football, kho, we do little fast warm-up exercises. Here no required because we are doing yoga. You have to do a small warm-up exercises. If you select a fast, little heavy warm-up exercises, then you will get tired and you shall not able to do yoga properly. So here I am showing you the small warm-up exercises. So please just get ready. Okay. First is hang your leg and rotate your toe 3 times, clockwise rotation. 1, 2, 3. Then after hang your left leg, rotate your toe 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Clockwise. Then once again right leg anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Left leg anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Right leg touch back and rotate 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Left leg touch back and rotate 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then right leg slowly pull up, very slowly. Don't give stress to your body. See this. 1, 2, 3. Then after left leg pull up 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then right leg hold back side. 3 count. 1, 2, 3. And left leg back side. 1, 2, 3. Every warm-up exercise you must do slowly. Don't give stress to your body. Then after just bending up very slowly, go down. 1, 2, 3. Come up very slowly. Once again, go down. 1, 2, 3. Come up very slowly. Then just put your hands on your waist and bend forward and backward. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Right side. 1, 2. 1, 2. Rotate right to left. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Holding 3 counts back side like this. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now shoulder exercise. Shoulder forward. Elbow should come forward side. 1, 2, 3. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Same way sideways. 1, 2, 3. Reverse side. 1, 2, 3. Now thumb exercise. Thumb exercise is like this. Shoulder straight and like this. Just you have to rotate the thumbs. Then horizontal. Once again, take closer to your body. Stop. Neck rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3. You can close your eyes while doing this exercise, otherwise you will feel like this. Right side. 1, 2, 3. Up and down. 1, 2, 3. Look left to right. 1, 2, 3. Stand straight. Take a long breathing. Rub your palms and touch to your chin. To just circulate your blood circulation. This much warm up is enough and okay before you start. Now sit and sitting and warm up exercises. Very little warm up exercises, easy also, but you have to do the warm up exercises before you do yoga in sitting position also. Not only just doing standing position yoga. Okay? So sitting position warm up exercises. Just fold your leg straight. Wait, I will show in this angle. Like this. Straight from the back and start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. See that you shouldn't bend your knees. Knees should be straight. 90-degree angle and then start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Spread your legs and your toes. 1, 2. Do not bend. Do not bend. Straight. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then you can fold your one leg like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Right leg straight, left leg folding and start like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sit straight with touching your toes. Hold the toes here and just fly your knees like this. 1, 2, 3. Now little bit more fly, little bit more stretch your knees like this. 1, 2, and 3. Sit straight. Once again, sit totally straight. Chest up. Take a little your stomach inside and take a long breath in. One more. This much enough sitting warm-up exercises before you. Now sit and sitting and warm-up exercises. Very little warm-up exercises, easy also, but you have to do the warm-up exercises before you do yoga in sitting position also. Not only just doing standing position yoga. Okay, so sitting position warm up exercises. Just fold your leg straight. Wait, I will show in this angle, like this, straight from the back, and start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. See that you shouldn't bend your knees. Knees should be straight. 90-degree angle, and then start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Spread your legs and your toe. 1, 2. Do not bend. Do not bend. Straight. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then you can fold your one leg like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Right leg straight, left leg folding, and start like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sit straight with touching your toes. Hold the toes here and just fly your knees like this. 1, 2, 3. Now little bit more fly, little bit more stretch your knees like this. 1, 2, and 3. Sit straight once again. Sit totally straight, chest up. Take a little your stomach inside and take a long breath in. One more. This much enough sitting warm-up exercises before you. Today, in a part 1, we are learning the just very easy basic yogasan. Today only we are not going jumping to directly I can say hard or heavy yogasan. Very simple. As you know, the first yogasan is a Padmasana. Padmasana is the base of all yogasan. You can say in proper English that is the mother of all yogasan. All yogasan start or begin with a Padmasana. So we are starting with a Padmasana. As you know how to do Padmasana, what is the Padmasana position, but don't do directly like a Padmasana. You have to follow the steps. Steps are important, and all steps you must do very slowly. Okay? So how to do Padmasana? Follow with me. First you have to straight your leg like this. Straight 90-degree angle to your body. Both hands touch near your hips and little bit hang your body like this. This is the starting position of the Padmasana. Little bit take your chest up, chin up, then 1. On the 1 count, you can fold your right or left, whichever you want comfortable. 1. Very slowly. Then 2. Leftly. Then 3. Hands here. Touch. Do not lose. Stretch. Finger fold totally. 3. Then 4. Chin and chest up. And 5. Close your eyes. Five, reverse direction, open your eyes. 4, lose your body. 3, open any one leg. 2, open another leg. 1, straight position, and 0, relax. like this. You can fold your knees and you can shake your thighs like this. This is a Padmasana. I have shown only this Padmasana position, last position, steady position, only for 1 minute. But you must practice to sit in Padmasana without thinking anything. Just close your eyes, listen your breath, and at least for the 5 minutes. 5 minutes you have to practice to sit in Padmasana. But for the short time period of this video making, I have shown you to sit in Padmasana position. Second asana is a Yoga Mudrasana. This is also base of the Padmasana, but little different, not much difficult, easy only. So we will begin. Yoga Mudrasana. Straight. 1, 2, 3. Behind your body, you have to hold the hand like this behind your back, like this. Straight. 4. Take your chin up and go very slowly down and try to touch your forehead to the tiles. Come up. Then open. In this Yoga Mudrasana, not compulsory to touch your forehead to the ground level, but try to go down. Wherever you can reach, go and steady there. If you can reach here only, no problem, but steady there. But don't do swinging. Don't do swinging. This is not allowed in this yogasana. You have to one time only go down. Wherever you can reach, there you have to hold. But see that everyday practice, day by day practice, you shall able to go down and down and down. This asana, I'm sorry, I forgot to explain you. In Padmasana give exercise to your thighs and your toe joints. And very important is to give rest to your mental stress. In the this asana, Yoga Mudrasana, obviously you know this asana give flexibility to your back, to holding when legs are here, to holding your stomach inside and hold your head or your back down at least for the 1 minute. Give flexibility, give exercise to your full back part. Asana number 3rd is a Tolasana. Tolasana also base of the Padmasana only, but just give a strength, give a exercise to your shoulder muscles. So just see how we are doing. Starting basic part is Padmasana only, like this. Now I am doing little fast that we can cover this part in our video time recording. 1, 2, 3. Touch your palms down. Take a full power here. And 4. Try to hang your body on your hand. 4. Down. You have to try to practice little bit portion practice, but try to hang your body as much as possible on your hand, so your hand can get a strength. Your hands, I want to say biceps and forearms will get a full exercise, because this part and this part holding the full weight of our body. But in this asana, don't do like this. Don't do like this. This is not allowed. You have to just hang our body as much as possible at height. Once again watch like this and take a breathe in and give power. Slowly come down. Slowly come down, get a loose. Once again sit straight, take a chest up and give power. Come down. Asan name is a Tolasan. In Hindi, Tolna means balance karna. That's why this asan name is a Tola.